Hello everyone, this is a very important video in which I am going to tell you about how the papers are valuated in KSLU. Exam papers are valuated in KSLU. Okay, so in KSLU, the teachers are supposed to bring their own notes. Okay, every teacher has to bring their own notes, and from those notes only they are supposed to evaluate your exam papers. So comparing to other universities or other examinations, like for example, my background is engineering. Okay, so my university was VTU. So what happened in VTU was there was a fixed answer paper, fixed answer sheet, and from that fixed answer sheet only the evaluators were supposed to check for the answers and grant marks. But in KSLU that is not the case. In KSLU there is no fixed paper, fixed answers. So every teacher has to bring his own notes, and from those notes only he is supposed to check your papers. So what is the present trend now while checking? So obviously not every teacher will bring their own notes. So what happens is one teacher will bring notes and the others will just borrow the notes, and from those notes they will check your papers. Or what happens is most of the time they download online notes and check your papers. So this is the present trend in KSLU. That is why even if you write good answers, sometimes you don't get good marks, because your answer differs from what the teacher has made notes of. This is a very bad trend, but this is what KSLU follows. Next, so what is the exact procedure, how your papers are sent to KSLU and what happens, how it is done? So first, you write your paper in written format. Next, it is a computer scan. When it is sent to KSLU, it is computer scan. It is computer scan, and the evaluator gets it is in display. Your answer sheets are displayed to the evaluator. Your OMR sheet is not displayed. Okay, OMR sheet is not displayed. Only your answer paper is displayed. So your answer sheets get scanned, and through online mode the evaluator checks your paper. They are given, every evaluator is given 5 minutes to check one paper. The paper you have written by taking 3 hours worth of time, that paper is evaluated only within 5 minutes of time. And after that 5 minutes, in the computer a window opens giving the option of next. Until that 5 minutes they don't get the option of next. So until then the evaluator is supposed to check your paper. After the 5 minutes, when the next window appears and the teacher clicks on the next, then the money is generated for the teacher. And then next paper is displayed. The more papers the evaluator checks, the more fees he will earn. So there is no fixed salary. So this is what the procedure the KSLU follows for checking your paper. So what happens is the teachers, they don't have much time to check entirety of your paper, because 5 minutes is a very less time to check your paper. So that is why there is also a bonus tip on how to pass the examination. So what happens is, when you fill all the papers, when you write 41 pages, obviously it is impossible to check entire paper in 5 minutes. So it is there are very high chance that if you just fill entire 41 pages, you can pass the examination. But don't write bogus. Try to write good content, but try to fill up 41 pages. Then you will easily pass if you are only aiming to pass the examination. But if you are going to score the examination, if you are writing to score the examination, then write at least that much only, which will grant sufficient time for the evaluator to read your entire answer. So this is the trick behind scoring and passing the examination of KSLU. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video.